Hello everyone, welcome to my EARTHKIDS channel. Food. Good food keeps health problems away. Wasting food is not a good habit. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. We all need food to live and grow. Junk food which causes illness and other problems. Food gives us energy to move and work. We get fruits, vegetables and pulses from plants. We get most of our food from animals and plants. Rice and wheat are some of the main grains that we eat. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of essential nutrients. So friends, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.